Right, so this is the circuit we're starting with. We need to remove a bunch of the elements. So for starters, we need to get rid of this LED. This is 4 very weak LEDs. We're going to replace it with 1 very strong LED. And there are 3 contacts for that. We're going to desolder all 3 of those. We need to remember where they are, though. So I'm going to refer to the top of the circuit as where the black dot is on your circuit, and we'll just orient everything else around that. Okay, the speaker we want to keep. The speaker's fine the way it is. The power supply, that's these 2 red lines, we want to get rid of. The springy side is your negative, it goes on the negative end of the batteries, and this side is your positive. So keep that in mind. The one that's to the left is your positive, the one that's to the right is your negative. And then you can barely see these 3 spikes coming through here. There's 2 sets of 3 spikes. Those are the switches. We have one momentary switch and one on-off switch. We want to remove both of these, and that's the tricky part. So we'll take our soldering gun. This is a screwdriver, not a soldering gun, but we hold it on the solder until it gets loose, and we use our fingers to pry it off. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to do it all in front of you, so you see how it goes. You need to be very careful. If the soldering gun is in contact for too long, it will melt it. Okay, so first we're going to remove everything we need to remove, and then I'll show you how we're going to modify it by adding wires back in.